You're not broke because you're lazy. You're not struggling because you lack ambition. You're broke because the system was designed to keep you that way, and nobody ever handed you the playbook to win. Until now. Most people stay trapped in a financial cage for three simple reasons. Number one, they only have one income. They're completely dependent on a single paycheck, and if that one check stops, their entire life grinds to a halt. One layoff, one emergency, and it's game over. Number two, they don't understand how money actually works. School teaches you how to be a good employee, but it never teaches you how to make money work for you. It teaches you to earn, but not to multiply. And number three, they trade their time for money forever. They believe working harder is the answer. This is the biggest lie. You don't get rich by hustling 80 hours a week. You get rich with leverage. You get rich by learning skills that pay you based on results, not the hours you clock in. Skills like copywriting, high-ticket sales, media buying, or video editing, these are skills that businesses will pay a premium for right now. If I had to start over from zero today, this is the exact plan I'd follow. Week 1. I would pick one high-income skill and obsess over it. I'd consume every free course, every YouTube video, every article. Weeks 2 and 3. I'd start offering my new skill for free or for a low price to build a portfolio. Get results, get testimonials. Week 4. I'd leverage that proof to land my first real client and make my first $1,000. That first $1,000 isn't for spending. It's a weapon. You take that money and you reinvest it. Not into stocks you don't understand, but into assets that create monthly cash flow. A tool that automates part of your work. A course that doubles your prices. Something that pays you while you sleep. That is how you break the cycle. You build a system where your money makes more money. The path is clear. The tools are available. The only question is if you're ready to stop being a spectator and start playing the game to win. Follow if you're ready to build your new reality.